namukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst channel namuntlha of course hi ta hi kha hi tisa about ya murhangaphandla tanihi swihinkwani vhela hi swi tiva yi ta va yi ri kona of course na Isaac Hlatshwayo a ku ri exhibition yes we understand na mhaka leyiwa. So our source here vele is this channel where I send promotions. You can go and subscribe. Kona la fight a ri kona ko gwina vele interested ka liya murhangaphandla and stuff like that. So I ngeni master 2 vona ku swilo swi fambise ku yini la and stuff like that. Mta tlhenvekela a link ya this channel on top comment leswo. Yeah, so I will be reacting. I think stava funny that way. Ku add some spicy nya. Yeah, let's go master 2. Let's go. Ya le murhangaphandla ingena. As you can see murhangaphandla ya renta hungutanya na volume for copyright issues vele ayo nghena murhangaphandla hopefully ya ku wineni hopefully ya ku ni hi me ni ku yi voneni sweswi fight la ni nga se yi vona ni yi vona na n'we xikan'we kona a tha hi yona I have to say so ku ri hayi a yi betona ngopfu murhangaphandla la hayi yi ve na drama murhangaphandla a ni va voni la wun'wani but hey a hi ntirhise murhangaphandla la yi ve na drama ngopfu hayi Dr. Stole hayi duku a yi nga ri mbalanga as you can see hayi a yi boha ku ta yi ta ri hluvula so hopefully Isaac Hlatshwayo ku hi leswi mi nga vula swona hayi vi nge chavini vi nge chavisiwi hi nhloko ya murhangaphandla ne at all ne yeah leswo
Welcome into the ring his opponent. He is a former South African champion and a 3-time former world champion. Please put your hands together for Isaac the Angel Hlatshwayo.
So hey Arezi, you don't know a world champion like guys, do you understand these things? So I'm TV guys, tanihi hi nga nghena hopefully mi nge yi vavise murhangaphandla no yena yi nghene hi rona risima ra murhangaphandla as you can see hi kha hi cheka hi leswi kwala former titles RSA lightweight very able lightweight ayilo swa lightweight as you can see kwalano yeah hi ximunhwana at all Isaac Hlatshwayo hayi ya drama yona yi fika murhangaphandla mi swi voni ku la yi tlhaveterini hopefully a yi losing energy hi interest leyi nga yi bala and stuff like that hayi ngo fast forward without any further waste of time a va na drama ngopfu Isaac la and stuff like that.
Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, he's wearing the maroon trunks and is fighting out of Mojaja Kloof. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing Mayengani.
hayi mpela yo sungula ni vona swilo leswi ni hlekisinyana ku ni swi vonanyana sweswiwanyana na yi vona KO i 0 hopefully ku nge vi na KO i knock out ne lose 0 draw 0 yo sungula mpela yeah let's go Master T.
And now introducing his opponent, fighting out of the red corner. He has a career record of 30 wins, 6 losses, and 1 draw, with 10 of those wins coming by way of knockout. He's fighting out of bulubulu. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the former South African lightweight champion, the former IBO World Lightweight Champion, the former IBO World Welterweight Champion, and the former IBF World Welterweight Champion of the World, Isaac the Angel.
Yer. Look. It's fine. You can see it on the screen. Hey, utandleka yini mara kwala?
You can see that.
He's definitely got that. I don't know how much else he's going to have in this exhibition. And Isaac's going to have to take it so easy in this fight. But
I'd like to know the
Benny's
tailor.
his friend.
The tailor for Benny Mayengani's outfit.
Yeah, I think it's a tent manufacturing company.
You see, Benny is there moving forward.
Isaac's just going to play with him now. You can see Benny has no boxing skills,
But
whatever.
Benny looks focused. He looks focused.
Yeah, he's focused. He's throwing some shots.
If I was Benny, I'll make sure I don't make Isaac upset.
Now, if he makes Isaac upset, he's going to be lying on that canvas. I can assure you that.
But it looks like Benny's taking it seriously. Yeah?
No, he is. He's taking it serious. He's trying. And Isaac's taking it easy.
Kwa serious mranga panda la.
So I don't know about the rules for exhibition. So Isaac is not even allowed to hit the body hard.
If he hits that body hard, Benny's going to be lying on the deck.
Mr. Isaac, I don't take on chumla, guys.
Benny, a well-known
You're relaxed.
Yes, he's well known
Is he?
in Limpopo mostly.
Okay.
But I think well known around the country.
Okay.
You're relaxed, Ngov. You're relaxed.
And you can see Isaac's just allowing Benny to come forward and throw his shots without firing back.
Look, mranga panda.
Guessed out now. He's trying to push Isaac.
Yeah, Benny is going to gas out soon.
I think those body
Leaving.
shots. Are they in the same division?
No, I don't think so. Isaac was a welter. Now he looks like could be a light heavy. But Benny's a heavy for sure. Benny's landing there.
You trying round your sungul. Msi trying round your sungul. Kumti so go gas. Mo go round one of terela. Reds.
I need to get Benny's tailor. Yes.
Yimbale yin mranga panda mar. Yimbale yin mar.
Isaac is
So
only
Isaac's
throwing
going
the
to
body
the body
shots.
there. Oh, Isaac better hold back a bit. Otherwise, this
But
fight's not going to go
I
on
don't
much
know
longer.
where's the timer. Where's the timer? Where's the timekeeper?
Nkaro hindi.
Keeper's
The
losing track
timekeeper is
now.
enjoying the show.
He's losing track. There's
Ihlorin wankar. Ihlorin wankar. Lo ihlolong go.
been quite a common occurrence where timekeepers lose track. The most famous of all happened in '84 in Sun City when Kutsia defended his world title against Greg Page,
Come on.
and the round was almost 4 minutes.
You look at glam ranga panda. You can't look down. So thoughts must start after round one. You can't look mranga panda. Go very sure go exhibition very already. I should do go fika bangai vavis should clear shotiva show in now go. Go bangai tigisi. I ta bongo mishone very sure training go I read the like avata iva songo mranga panda.
Just under 4 minutes long, and the last minute of that round did a lot of damage to Kutsia in that fight, which basically ended up with him losing his world title.
Things like that happen in boxing.
It happened because the timekeeper was so engrossed in the fight that he forgot to look at his...
No, Isaac, you can't read my one. Show mranga panda shilo kutigisi. Mendo kunyajin maravana. You can't read no. I'm sure no you do go film again.
watch. And the round went on and on. And Kutsia's camp tried to get the fight, declared a no contest and appealed to the WBA, and the request was eventually rejected.
Things like that happen in boxing. I think
My vehicle.
our one there's a boxer called Emmanuel.
Replay le. It's fine. That's sungula ka round 2 vele. Helesho. Round 2.
I became a fan, not a trainer.
Yeah, that's what happened.
So I forgot to put the chair. I was a second. I was a seconder. I forgot to put the chair at the end of the round.
That's what happens. You get so caught up in these fights.
Yes.
You forget what you need to do.
Mara branga pande expose xikandeni vonani phela a va ta yi bango.
Benny has a look on his face like he wants to kill Isaac.
He doesn't have the tools to kill Isaac.
He's just got the look on his face.
He's got the look.
If looks could kill, but in this case they can't.
Isaac has to be careful, eh? You'll never know in boxing.
I think Isaac has to be careful, you're right. Careful that he doesn't kill Benny.
Isaac is not even breaking a sweat.
No, he's not. He's been here before many times.
Yeah.
This is a walk in the park for Isaac today.
Manong tsan body am ranga ava ta yi dlala ngi tsara ku expose nje phela yi pfule xikandza ava ta yi ba enoka ku te kan'we ntsena look nong tsang kahle vonana swibaka leswi le hansi ngo swa murhanga vona guys look ava ta yi vavisa murhanga pound
Benny is also trying to throw the body jab.
Now, if this is a real fight, when Benny goes to the body, Isaac would be able to counter over that jab to the body and knock Benny out. But Benny's his friend. He's not going to do that here today.
Maybe
It's amazing how Isaac used to look when he was young and fighting. And how he looks now.
Yeah, well, that's what happens, Jackson. You should know so many years of sacrifice and not being able to eat the foods that you love.
He tried round the 2 as you have seen. So in ring so far must that I go not clear go I look we exposed ngomranga phanda xikandeni no vula mara in overall hi nga vula ku yi le ku wineni by fam ranga phanda ku at least ani fa yi kota ku va yi kha yi bana xikandza ho vona sweswi live mara ku voka mina swi komba na ku loko swo fambisa hi pace leyi yi nga wina murhanga phanda la ka exhibition leyi ku swi komba na ku Mr Isaac yi fike yi ba khwiri ntsena murhanga phanda hi yi pfumela ku ba everywhere ma yona mhaka leyiwa hi leswo I think ngo vhota ya ka round 3 I think
Drink the drinks that you love.
I think
round 3
they touched gloves for final round. Benny looks in shape. I thought by now he will be tired.
Benny
I
is in
agree.
shape. Round is also a shape.
yeah na energy yeah na energy na attire yona imbala yini murhanga phanda mbala
You see Isaac popping the jab that he used to do so well when he was a champion, but he's not trying to land it.
I think Benny's trying to get the sort of a strategy. There you go.
I think Benny's strategy is to start singing in the ring. Now Benny's opening up.
Benny mustn't do too much. He's gonna hurt himself.
yeah mas xa mulungu mas xa competitive mulungu xi le ku yi roast ni murhanga phanda va se si sungule show le hi fike yi n'wi bifa mulungu loyi murhanga phanda ni mi kombela mu lava tira ni fika cheliwa ka bife i mi roast ngo i mi bife of man
Let's go. Box.
ora busy ka background
Benny
to ora
credit. He has lasted the 3 rounds.
Yeah.
For guys never boxed before and he's out of shape like he is. He's made it to the 3rd round. Albeit not taking any shots from Isaac.
$40 seconds left.
But he's took those body shots very well.
He has.
Ayo yi tini murhanga phanda yi nga lwa na Mr Post. Banana murhanga phanda ya chaha banana.
Oh, Benny trying to rush him.
Banana mrangapanda no. 10 seconds. Banana
He's
mrangapanda.
walking him down.
Benny,
He had the whip.
Banana
10
mrangapanda.
seconds. He wants to finish Isaac.
He's not going to finish Isaac.
Issa.
I can't remember the fighters, but there was once an exhibition fight where a guy got a bit too frisky with a top fighter who was allowing the guy just to throw shots away. Isaac's been allowing Benny to throw shots here. And the top fighter actually knocked the other guy out because he took some liberties on him.
Yeah, but I think you are allowed to.
Even loko mrangapanda va inoka nga velo hlamusela ku tshama ku va na exhibition fight yin'wana xo xi sale xa xikwata ngo xi noke out opponent ya ko yo ka yi nga na experience. Hayi yi tiyisela yi ze yi chara a yi twi na ku yaku yi ta nameleliwa ngopfu kasi va la ku hlaya ti-results on miri.
Ladies and gentlemen, this bout was scheduled for 3 rounds. It went the full distance. Let's give both of these fighters a big round of applause. And now, ladies and gentlemen, to read the results of this bout, please welcome into the ring a man that needs no introduction. He is a living legend in South African football. His number 10 jersey has been retired, and he's known as the Black Prince. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Jomo Sono.
Hey, Jomo Sono. Hey, Jomo Sono ikwana. Hey.
Jackson, I've got a feeling they're going to give this fight to Benny.
Kona yi winni.
Just for the novelty of it.
No mlungu no iyo buku ku hi fight leyi mrangaphandla loko ni kha ni langutisa mina iyo yi nga ba ngopfu ku ri la ntiyiso hi ku vhevhela ku ri exhibition I understand but hayi no
Let's see.
Hello. The winner is majority draw.
What did I tell you, Jackson? I saw that coming.
I think Benny paid the judges.
I think so. He said judges aren't paid.
He gave them the brown envelope.
Let's start off with the legend himself, Isaac the Angel Hlatshwayo. What did you think of that bout?
I think it was so exciting, you know, because I've been talking with Benny for quite a number of years.
Okay.
Him that I want to introduce him into boxing. You know, as much as he's a boxing fan, I wanted him to have a feeling for a boxing ring. And now, yes, he felt something. And I believe that something big is coming very soon for him to step into the ring with someone else. Because we need our influential people, in fact, you know, to help revive that thing to our people when it comes to noble art of boxing, you know. Because we've lost so much in boxing, we've lost sponsors, we've lost fans. We need to bring them back. How do we achieve that? So we need to come with something different that will help us as a boxing people to revive that into our game. So I'd like for you to share the stage with him. Very good introduction for him.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Isaac the Angel Hlatshwayo. Now we're going to chat to Benny. Benny, what did you think of that bout?
Thank you. Firstly, let me thank my friends. Guys, you are so wonderful. Thank you very much for supporting this event. I'm very proud because I was fighting with the former 2-time champion, Isaac Hlatshwayo. He's a world champion, champion. Getting an opportunity to fight him in the ring, that was wonderful. This is what President Mayengani bulubulu.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Benny Mayengani.
Hayi leswo guys hi vhete va yi chayise sweswo hayi mhaka yi ri kahle fight yi ri kahle hi nga vula tani ku congratulations to murangaphandla ku va yi kote ku va yi nghena leyi va yi fumbutela makhwiri lama leswo loko ri amukeza subscribe ta kuma ta mi klika subscribe.